Ladies and gentlemen, we're back now live on pay-per-view wickedandbad.tv as we move to match number 3 of the evening. Wicked and Bad number 4 is scheduled for a sanctioned matchup at 84 kilograms. First, to make his way into the arena, please welcome Rain.
Chopping, 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 chopping. All week, chopping, 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 chopping. In my seat, chopping, 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 chopping. All week, chopping, 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 chopping. In my sleep, hey, 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 hey. I be chopping, 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 hey, hey, chopping, hey, hey, chopping, hey. I be chopping, 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 chopping. Won't leave these curves till it's done. These cats are calling my phone. I can get 3 out of 1. Balenciaga my feet. I'm splashing money in Harrods. All this gold on my neck. My shit is flooded with carrots. 1 to 3 with a snow. Cash out. 5 G's on my clothes. Mac out. More than 18 shots. Half 18 Z's. Watch 18K.
And now, please welcome his opponent, Liam Forrest.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Blessed be our new founding fathers.
On his kit. I love that when a fighter comes into the ring, owns the whole ring. You know what I mean? So he's doing around the whole ring. I say that to every single fighter that I know, Lips. Jump in the ring and own the ring. Dominate, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, Wicked and Bad number 4 moves now to 5 2-minute rounds in a sanctioned bout at 84 kilograms.
Interesting short.
First, to make his first,
he's got the same pattern that he had on the cloth.
The
Rain. On his
representing the Contender Series and weighing at 86 kilograms even. Please make some noise for Rain. And across the ring in the red corner, who weighed in at 82.1 kilograms, a 6-time Southern Counties champion. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Liam the Lumberjack Forrest!
He's got a crowd here, man. A very good crowd here. He's got a crowd
When the action begins, your referee in charge, Mr. Alan Jackson.
Got a good crowd from Brighton up here.
Okay,
Harlem Eubanks in the building.
time and obey my commands. Any questions?
He is. Got Harlem Eubanks in the building. Over there, yeah. All right, here we go. Boy.
I was looking forward to this.
I almost feel scared. I almost feel scared and nervous at the same time. I just don't know what to expect from the Rain.
Two very different fight records, as you can see on your screens right now. The Rain.
See, the Rain. He shows these things where he's competent at boxing. Do you know what I mean? He knows what he's doing. Look at that. That's beautiful. He does these things, but he knows what he's doing.
Very interesting start, very patient start compared to the first two fights we've had.
Some flashes from Liam. A little shuffle and a straight right hand downstairs to the body.
Ooh, feeling each other out, but both men.
Oh. Very good boxing.
Decent boxing on the inside there from the Rain.
Lovely combination, 5-punch combination. 1-2 left hook, body from Liam. Lovely combination. You see what I'm saying? This is good boxing.
This is excellent
good
boxing. Wow. He's got good hands, the Rain, man. Good hands.
The Rain's doing a good job so far.
He's covering himself up very well, man. Both men traded him.
Yep.
Good body shots there from Liam. The Rain is not stopping, man.
The Rain, man.
Very good combinations. Patient as well, man.
Good boxing, good boxing.
You know what? You know what?
Look at this. Lovely combination.
Very good combinations, man.
Body, head.
Again, wicked combination there from Liam Forrest.
Beautiful combination from Liam.
But again, man, big respect to the Rain. A lot less experienced than Liam. And I think he's matching him so far.
I would draw that round even.
Yeah,
I would draw that round even.
Definitely.
Draw that round even.
Very good boxing on display, man. A lot of patience.
All right, round 2, here we go. I'm gonna edge the first one to Liam.
Yeah.
You can see Liam almost trying to rile up the crowd there. You see what I'm saying? He just come out, done the 1-2 step.
Yeah.
How do you even read that?
Yeah, literally. The Rain definitely has a very awkward style.
Yeah, Liam's trying to tuck up. Liam wants to put him away. You see that?
He wants to put him away, man. But
Liam wants to just stay up close.
the Rain looks unfazed by the power, but Liam looks like a man possessed. He's come here to do one thing tonight, and you can see that.
That was a nice combination from the Rain.
Interesting fight so far, man. I think both men figured out each other quite quickly, and they're getting on with it, man.
Good boxing from Liam.
I like that uppercut then hook that he throws, man, the Rain.
The Rain does some beautiful work. Look at these body shots from Liam.
Yeah.
Liam sinking in them body shots.
The Rain is a good boxer, man.
Very good boxing from
Yeah.
the Rain, but it just almost looks like he's boxing to survive.
Yeah, 100%, 100%.
Boxing to survive.
Liam looks like a man on a mission. Good shot there, good shots there from the Rain. This is an excellent fight that we have here, man. Again, it looks like so far we've got 30 seconds left, just over 30 seconds left. It looks like Liam's just gonna edge him in this round again.
Lovely
But,
catch
aye.
throw from Liam.
Excellent technique from
There's
both
the
fighters
same
right
combination
now.
again. The Rain's not phased. The Rain's not phased. He's sticking to his game plan, whatever his game plan is.
Them body shots, hey. I don't know how much of them I could take, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah, I think that. Oh, lovely.
Good shots there from the
Good
Rain.
overhand right by Liam.
What a
Big
fight.
left hook. Overhand right again by Liam. And then on the bell.
Aye. A little bit of talking there from both fighters. Wow.
I like how the Rain's staying in there. But for me, this is Liam's show so far.
I think Liam's having to do a lot to stay ahead, man. He's keeping up at a decent pace. Like I said, Liam, he's doing a lot.
Hook, straight hand, body shot, body shot again. Lovely, lovely
You
work.
could just see it in his face,
Lovely
man.
work.
He's throwing with intent.
Very coordinated with those punches.
Wicked fight, man. Wicked fight.
But you know what? I'm not taking nothing from Durain away. Bear in mind, this is a seasoned amateur fighter.
High-level
Liam
boxer.
Forrest is a seasoned amateur fighter.
Yeah. And the ring,
Exactly. You got to take your hat off to him. He's in there.
100%.
He's a gym fighter. He's dealing with him so far.
I definitely think he's behind as well, but he looks very good, man. He looks very good in there. Against a man that's had over 40 fights. So we got the third round here.
Come out with a lot more aggression from Durain. A lot more aggression from Durain.
Oh, wow. Listen, this Liam Forrest.
Trying to get those little Tyson elements in there now. Both of them actually going at it.
Big respect to both fighters. Big respect to the reign.
Oh, nice.
Wicked
nice
left hook.
Yeah, from Liam.
Oh.
Like I said, he's been training.
And body shots are nasty, man.
I've been seeing him spar. I've been seeing him train.
Yeah.
To be fair, I don't expect anything less.
Good shot there from the reign, though. Liam saying he's unfazed, hands are down, confident.
Still can't make those type of mistakes where you lunge in, miss a shot. He's still boxing. The wrong one lands on
Good
you.
right hand there from Liam Forrest again. He's getting through, man. He's getting through that guard. You know what? I've got to give it to the rain, man. He's taken a lot of damage here, and he's not phased. I've got to give it to him. Oh,
Body
them
shot.
body
I heard
shots
that one
are
sink
not
in ringside.
nice.
I heard that one sink in ringside.
He's not stopping, though.
You know what? Fair play to Liam, right? Like, he's taking this seriously.
Yeah.
Well, he had to.
Yeah.
This is streamed all over, but he's taking it seriously. He's not looked at. Oh, big left hook landed by Liam. Big left hook landed by Liam, and the rain just looks at him like, what?
You know what? Big respect to both fighters, man.
Amazing, amazing work from both of them. Look at
Another lively one, man. Wow.
look at
Liam again with them body shots, man.
This was that early burst from both of them.
Yeah.
I want to see that left hook.
Just
No,
getting
that's not
underneath,
left hook.
creeping underneath that guard every time.
Puts together beautiful combinations. Beautiful, beautiful combinations.
Good fight so far, man. The rain unfazed. Liam Forrest, I think he understands the job tonight. I think he knows he's ahead on the scorecards. I think he's just being told more of the same, man.
I just don't want him to switch off. Like,
Yeah.
don't switch off because you're having that success, or you feel you're having a success.
So here we are in round
Round
four.
four. Round four. I'm with Liam for me so far.
All Liam. Liam with these onslaughts. The rain hasn't, he hasn't figured out how to deal with it.
Yeah, Liam wants to put him away.
He wants to put him away, man. You know what? I'm going to make a brave statement. I don't think he will, man.
I want to see Buddy after this. I want to see Buddy after this. He laughed at me when I said to him that I'm almost more excited over this than the Canelo Triple G fight.
Yeah, no, it's
Getting
true.
more action out of this than what I was last night.
Nah, most definitely, man. The rain taking big shots. But he's not stopping.
Resilient.
He's resilient. He's tough. He's tough. But Liam, left
How
hook
is
to
he
the
dealing
body.
with these body shots? Like,
I don't understand. I'll be honest. It's not even stopping.
I mean, Lippy, you've seen every single one ringside.
Got through.
It's sunk in, it's got through. He found his gap.
Do you know what?
In it.
This is warrior business right now, man.
Boxing.
The Rain.
On both their boxing skill.
High level, man. High level.
Both their boxing skill.
By the looks of things, Liam Forrest, slightly the better fighter, definitely the fitter and stronger man. But the Rain, look at this. Look at this combination from the Rain.
Ladies and gents, we have a fight.
We have a fight here. What a character the Rain is. What a character the Rain
Replay of
is.
Hagler Hearns. Replay of Hagler Hearns. I'm putting it there. They're going wicked and bad with this business.
Serious.
They're going wicked and bad with this business.
Now, this is history being made, man. This is history being made.
There's a needle.
This is interesting. What a fight.
I didn't think this is going 5 rounds.
Listen,
I told you when I was telling you and Buddy earlier on, I'm almost more excited over this than Canelo versus Triple G last night. Look at this. Lead uppercut, back uppercut, little touches.
He's not stopping.
And then the body shots sunk. That was the ones that we was talking about.
Them left ones there, just underneath the rib cage, they hurt a lot, man. They hurt a lot. But again, the Rain
stayed in there. The Rain stayed in there.
Stopping. You know what, people? We're in a situation right now where, if we're being real, the Rain can only win this via a big stoppage. But what a fight.
What a fight.
What a fight.
Everyone who purchased this fight at home, you got your money's worth.
Ladies and gentlemen, we move now to the 5th and final round.
That's the final round, let's see.
Listen, Instagram crew, Twitter crew, follow these, man. Follow their journey, trust me. This ain't gonna be the last you see of these, man. Warriors.
Beautiful. Count right.
That left
big
hook
left by Liam.
Oh, what a fight, man.
Big fight.
The Rain is not stopping. Beautiful right hook there from
bad intentions. Liam's throwing with some seriously bad intentions. He wants a knockout.
Right, listen. Wow, a little bit of dirty boxing there.
Yeah, it was
listen. Big right hand by Liam.
Rain's taking this.
He is eating all these shots.
Taking this and he's giving back.
I'm on the edge of my seat here, boy. This is crazy. Listen, the energy, the fitness. Listen,
Granite chin.
Listen, this is high-level boxing, man.
Can hear him shouting at each other. Let's go.
Those are big body shots, man.
Big body shots.
And they ain't slowed him down. That one looked like it.
And sunk it in again.
For the first time,
it's the last 30 seconds.
He looks phased. For the first time, the Rain looks phased. In the last 30 seconds of the fight. Against one of the most experienced fighters in the card.
He's sticking his tongue out. He's telling Liam, bring it on.
Listen, I was excited when I saw the Rain.
Oh, big right hand lands. Big right hand lands for the Rain. Lovely work, man.
Aye, what a fight.
Wow, what a fight.
What a fight. Listen, we got the Rain. Wow. The Rain. South London Warrior. He shot me, you know. The Rain shot me there.
Took everything.
He took everything.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Big left hook. See that? Then a catch. Big left
that's
hook.
Good work there. Look at that combination.
Rumble to the body. Left hook again upstairs.
Listen. I see some niggly work there from the Rain.
Lovely.
Listen, they're getting there chatting to each other.
Amazing fight. You see?
Look at that. Aye, both men left it in there, man. What a fight.
That was big.
Do you know what? I feel like at the press conference, these men kind of didn't rate each other. But you see,
No, they didn't.
You see now though, listen, the respect is through the roof for both of them.
I'd want to see both of them. I'm saying I'd want to see both of them on the next Wicked and Bad show.
100%, man.
Yeah.
100%.
I'd want to see both of them part on the next Wicked and Bad show.
Listen, massive respect to both fighters. Two different experience levels.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for these two warriors, come on! Another 5 exciting rounds, and we go to your judges for the decision. Scoring about 50-45, 50-45, and 49-46. All three seeing about the same way in favor of your winner. By unanimous decision, Liam, the Lumberjack Forrest!
You know what? He won every round, but when I say that, at no means did he come out and batter a man today.
No, the rain held himself.
Definitely.
The rain held himself. He walks out of here with a bag of respect.
Do you know what it is? Liam, I remember Liam Forrest told Durain, he told Durain at the press conference, this is going to be the highest level of boxing that you've ever experienced. And I think it's definitely true, man.
Look at this. This was him coming out. I like to just don't know what to take.
Do you know what I want to say about Durain? When you have a walkout like that, you have to fight the way you did tonight.
Yeah.
You get me? Listen, he started off so fast.
Uppercut hook, left hook, body shot.
Listen, 3 punch combinations, 4 punch combinations.
Work. Very good combination work. Look at that. Excellent combination. Excellent combination.
Listen, the rain just digging deep, niggling through. Regardless of the pain that he's going through, he's just getting them punches through.
I think one of them like a 6-punch combination.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with your winner by unanimous decision, Liam, the Lumberjack Forrest. Liam, I think it's safe to say that 5 rounds of pure clinical precision. How are you feeling at this exact moment? This is your comeback. This is the beginning of what's next to come. Tell us your thoughts right now.
This is the beginning of my career. So I've had a successful amateur career, had 46 amateur fights. Big respect to Durain for even jumping in with someone experienced as me. He's got some big balls there. Any more questions? I think I do want to say.
Say it. Say what you have to say.
So, on TikTok, I think someone was calling me out. I think the name of pro boxer. But he's still got a test from Karim. I want the winner of pro boxer and Karim for the next Wicked and Bad 5.
Wow. So basically, what you're telling the crowd and those watching around the world, you want a shot at the light heavyweight championship.
100%. I want to fight for the Wicked and Bad belt. That's what I want.
Well, you've certainly earned the adulation and the accolades tonight. You did phenomenally well. Was there a point in this matchup that you got a little bit frustrated? Because, you know, as you said yourself, an experienced fighter, Durain steps in, you tried to put him away, but he stood there toe-to-toe with you, and he was, you know, he still had a lot of energy going into that last bout.
Well, Durain, I knew he was going to be very unpredictable. He's very, as you can see, he'll change the angles, throw punches from crazy angles. He's got a crazy mindset, which it shows that he's a crazy boxer. He was the bigger man, but I still prove to you people that I can still outbox someone that's bigger.
Absolutely, you held your own. You're looking very fresh. Final words for your fans, for everybody out there.
I hope I impressed everyone here tonight. Forrest Boxing, follow the gram, follow the TikTok. Big up OG Kicks for the sponsor. I want everyone to share, like, comment on all my posts because boxing nowadays, it's all about, you know, selling yourself, entertainment. I know a lot of fighters out there that struggle to get on a platform like this just because they haven't got the character, they haven't got the energy, and I feel like I bring energy, character. What else do you guys want? I'm a good boxer and I'm fucking good looking as well. What?
Certainly an entertainer, certainly a phenomenal boxer. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Liam the Lumberjack!